Hi guys, this is a very important clarification video before you proceed watching income tax lectures. Or if at all you are looking for income tax lectures of mine, like I have recorded in the very recently from August to October month, okay, which is last month. Now right now it is November month. So until last month I have made new recordings of income tax, getting it, which is based upon Finance Act 2022. Where our existing classes and existing material, whoever is following, whoever is downloading from our website or purchasing, that is amended up to 30th April 2023, and that is based on Finance Act 2022. Now, many students are having regarding certain doubts. Sir, for May 24 exams, Finance Act 2023 is applicable, right? Yes. So, can we follow this material and these classes? Absolutely yes. Look, what is Finance Act? When Finance Act changes, let us assume in the May 24, if a question paper comes, how the questions will be asked. So they'll give some information. They'll ask you below, compute income of the SSE for assessment year 24-25. They will just ask you assessment year 24-25. In this book, whatever the book that you are downloading from our website or where you are placing order, instead of assessment year 24-25, we use the word 23-24. It's a change of assessment year. That's it. When Finance Act changes, generally, for May 24, November 24, whenever a question paper comes in income tax, especially direct tax or income tax, whatever, the questions will be based upon assessment year 24-25. Whereas, if Finance Act 2022 is there, which is applicable for your exams, if at all, assessment year 23-24. Now, for the new scheme, Finance Act 2023 is applicable if at all you are writing in the May 24 exams and November 24 exams. So, Finance Act 23, which means all the question and answers which are given in the book, we have to solve it for which assessment year? We need to solve it for assessment year 24-25. But remember, it's just a change of year. It is just a change of year, but the provision, section, subsection, explanation, proviso, everything is intact. It is absolutely same. In fact, in Finance Act 2023, in many provisions, they have added some new clauses, new subsections, new conditions they have added. There is no change to existing provision. Existing provision they kept as it is. In addition to that, new provision has added certain clauses. Getting it? So all that we call it as amendments. What are the amendments that are applicable for new scheme May 24 exams? We are going to give you a free video on the same, which will be approximately 3 to 4 hours. Wait, watch this video till the end. I'm going to clarify you regarding what are the changes that are there in the May 24 new scheme especially. And after results, we will upload these amendments. After results, where there is a clear logic. For you May 24 exams, all the amendments up to 31st October, whatever income tax amendments were there up to 31st October 2023, all of them are applicable for May 2024 exams. Yes, but the ICA has given study material, right, based on Finance Act 2023. That study material is prepared by them before April 2023. Which means that is updated only up to 30th April 2023. The ICA material which institute gave is updated only up to 30th April. Plus, of course, Finance Act 2023 is also updated in that. Finance Act 2023, they considered and updated. Our book, whatever the book that you are seeing here, whatever the book that we are using in the classroom, or the PDF that is there in the website, that book is updated up to 30th April, all the amendments. Only Finance Act 2023 amendments are pending. So this I will give you through amendments video. This amendment video I will be uploading after the results. Why? Very simple. After results, institute will release RTP. Or maybe if not RTP, institute will release separate amendments booklet. Getting it? So once the booklet comes, all the amendments comprehensively, we will summarize it into a separate book, a separate PDF. I will record the classes then and upload it on the YouTube as well as in our courses also. So whoever is enrolling for income tax courses of mine, especially, need not worry. The classes, whatever you are going to watch, the material, whatever you have taken print out or you have ordered, Getting it? The material which we used in the class is very, very much relevant to you. Just it's a year change. The provision is same. There are no changes in these provisions. It is exactly same. We recorded this primarily for May attempt only, but we also gave it for November students. Getting the point? So November 23, whatever the exams which is completed for them also it is useful. So that's the reason why we followed Finance Act 2022 numbers. Getting it? But remember, at the end of the day, everything is same. Now, one more point I just have to clarify. This Finance Act will have a lot of impact, especially in capital gains chapter. There is a chapter called capital gains. In this chapter, the answers of each and every question that we are solving will drastically affect. Why? Because index number changes. No? So for previous year 23-24, nothing but assessment year 24-25, the capital index number is different, whereas financial year 22-23, nothing but previous year 22-23, the index number is different. So in capital gains, what I am going to do is, I will be adding all the problems with the Finance Act 2023 numbers. So I will upload those videos hardly to 1.5 to 2 hours only. Entire capital gains problems, if we solve, it will come hardly 1.5 to 2 hours. Even yourself also you can solve. Just substitute the index number. In fact, in the videos where I'm explaining capital gains, I clearly explained all these points. Getting it? Next, now in the new scheme ICA material, there is a chapter called, in the old scheme, there is a chapter called incomes which do not form part of, nothing but exempted incomes chapter. That is not there in the new scheme. But remember, most of this content is covered in other chapters. The exempted incomes chapter earlier we have separately, that they removed it now, and they added that exempted incomes or major sections into other chapters. Suppose in exempted incomes we have a topic agriculture income. Now that is removed here and added in the first chapter itself, basic concepts itself. Now one more important, there is a chapter called total income. In this, AMD provision and 115 BAC, nothing but default tax regime or optional tax regime, there is a provision. Getting the point? So that they removed there and they added in the first chapter itself. Some students, they are asking, under 115 BAC, once upon a time the tax exemption is up to 2,50,000, but now it is increased it to 3 lakh. That's the only change. Now some students are asking me, sir, which one I have to follow? For your exam 3 lakhs only applicable, but remember, you first follow, understand the provision mainly. Then later amendment is just a matter of updating the number. Getting it? And remember, in the new scheme, 115 BSA provision is discussed in every chapter, every head of income, which is not correct approach. Which is not a correct approach to learn. You should learn 115 BAC separately, which is actually correct in the old scheme. In the old scheme, 115 BAC topic they didn't bring in every head of income. They directly discussed it as a separate topic. And I clearly explained in total income chapter why 115 BAC is a failure provision in the income tax history. Getting the point? So be careful. Whatever the recordings that we have provided, whatever the material that we are giving you, whatever the material that you are seeing this, or you downloaded or you already placed order, if at all you have originally purchased for November but you withdrawn that item and planning for May, absolutely you can follow this material. You can follow our income tax classes. Just amendments. Let RTP release by the institute, then I will take amendments videos as well. And remember, I will never leave anybody with open-minded, with confusion, all that. Time to time, I will continuously guide all our students of Shrestha, getting it, so that they are very much updated, they are very much prepared for the May 24 exams. So keep that trust, and rest I will take care. Okay, that's it. And all our team members, we are all working literally like students, getting it, day and night we are working, and to give best experience for the classes and to make you get the best knowledge. Getting it? That's it. So this is with respect to income tax, CA intern. I hope you are clear.